Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Again represent you a new lesson. It's very important for you. It is video editing. Before studying this lesson, you can ask me, is it possible to edit video with smartphone or Android phone? Yes, of course. Nowadays it is possible. After Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, popular apps is KineMaster to edit any kind of video. Uh, the KineMaster is the king for video editing with a smartphone. So let's have a look how to use it and its different functions. It is the video editing, first part of video editing. So just click on it, then you face this type of interface. You have to select a ratio. Go to plus icon, click on plus icon, then you find three ratios. Three type of ratios are available for making any kind of videos. When you make this 16:9, it interface shown this way. When you select the ratio 9:6, it is long downside. When you select very standard, nowadays different entertainment channel or news channel use this ratio because you do not play this video with rotation, its downside broaden. However, select any ratio, then you have to import any video. For importing any video, go to media, just click on media and select a file, crop it. This is a video that have no clean surroundings or surfaces, so you need to cut it. The line of video is the layer, and here the red line, it is selection tools. Then another some settings. Here you find the layer, here you find the media options. It is audio, it is voiceover, then video icon to play it. Another options, import, then you find the settings, you find also video starting, and go to ending, you use this icon. Finally, redo undo button. Equal sign, click on it, then to cut this video, just click on video, then you find crop tool, click on crop tool, then swipe with two fingers and adjust it, and you find there when you shoot video some unwanted speech come automatically, so we need to crop it. For this, if you want to move this video, just click on the video and swipe the finger, then it comes forward or backward. Suppose I want to cut 20 seconds of my video, then swipe and find, here you see the time 20 seconds, just I want to cut 20 seconds. Just click on the video and select 20 seconds. Then you find a symbol of scissor symbol. Click on scissor. Here you find 4 options. One is trim to left behind. We want to cut the starting point. For this we use trim left of flay head. Redo it, just click on redo button, just it is adjusted at the same. Cut latter part of this video, just click on this video and click trim to right flay head. Then here you see last part of this video are crops. For redo, just click on redo button. If you want to separate the video, just click on split at flay head. It is separated, easily separated. Okay. If you want to slow motion or fast motion, just click on this video and go to clock icon. Here you find the clock icon. Just click on clock icon. If you increase your pixel, it will rapidly run. When you decreases, it is slow motion. Slow motion can be 0.25, 0.5x, 1x is general video. Okay, when we play this way and click on, it is very rapidly run. How do you ensure eye foot fast motions? Here you see 9.10 second, the first clip 9.10 second. When you use 5 pixel, you see it is longer, the video is longer, 19.9 second, but naturally the video is 10 second. If I set 1 pixel, it is 9.9 second. When we select 5x, then it is reaching. This way you can add your slow motion or fast motion. It is slow motion, then it is general motion. But if I want to add here fast motion, just click on 2 fix or 1.5 fix, 5x. See, it is very fast. My movement props, it is very fast. Okay. Then another thing, how do we add text? For adding text, click on layer, then go to text option. Click on text, then write something. But the text is in the middle. You can enlarge it by holding the arrow keys. You can rotate it by holding these arrow keys. You can enlarge it or small it. If you want to move it, just put on your finger on this text and go to another places. Place it another place. You can add, you can change the text background. Here blue, here red, any color you can choose here. Then if you want to set text background, what do you need? Go to background color. Okay, enable it, then you find background is changed. If you want to change the background color, then you can change background color. Set full line background, then go to full white background, enable it. Or you can change your text pattern. For changing text pattern, go to a symbol and you select the wider, it is widen. You select narrower, just click on narrow. This way you can change your text sizes. Then you can add animation. Go to click on text and go to this symbol. You find apply one after another, it is just fade, then pop. Another thing, we need to add company logo in any part of our video. So just click on layer and go to media options and select a logo. To change logo color, come to this icon, background music. We need to add background music. Just go to audio and click on audio options. There you find, of course you add no copyright music behind your. It is come here, you find here the audio is added there. Sometime we need to color corrections. For color corrections, just click on videos, and you find and come to just click on it. It is these symbols or this symbol, and you can here you find the color it changes. This way you can increase your correct your color corrections, color adjustment. Okay, another way you can correct your color correction. Just go to Olympic icon, 3 circles, click on 3 circles, just choose anyone which is your favorite. In this way you can select your color corrections. Okay, how do you add transition? Suppose for this, just click on the space and you find here some transition are available. What type of transition you want to add? Here you find a lot of transition, but after installing these apps you do not find this transition. You have to download it. Just I click on 3D transition. If I click here, you find some 3D transition. Just click on bounce box. You see the transition works. Then I want to add to another transition. Just cover transition. I want to add cover transition. Just here you see the transition is work. Then if I want to add another transition, just click on the space and if I want to zoom in, this transition is added. If you want to add this transition, it is also included. If you want to powerful transition on page, okay, this transition is added. This way you can add transition. In my next content I share you what type of transition is popular for video editing. Okay, then how to blur your any part of writing. Suppose you make a lesson, some part of writing need to blur. Just click on layer and go to effects, and here you find basic effects or magnifying effects. Just click on basic effects and select mosaic or Gaussian blur, both of use for blur. Suppose here you see a layer came here, you can swipe it smaller, larger, which is you needed. Here you put. Okay, but it is not blur perfectly, so go to settings to increase the blur effect. Here you 10 pixel blur, it is totally works. Here there was some writings, but now it's swipe. Yes, and finally I want to select off on animations. What is off on animation? I play this video but do not show any animation, but when I select off on animation, it is smoothly lighting, and when the video is going to close, it is smoothly light off. So for this you go to settings, click on settings and click on videos. Here you find fade in fade out icon, just enable it. You find the effect, smoothly light is on. Finally, how do we export this video? For this, save it, just go to share options and here you find it is the resolutions of this video 720p, 540p, 360p. Generally I made my video 720p. Here this side you see the frame rate. Why we use frame rate? To clear our video, just 24. I use 24 cinema frame rate, and you can increase your bit rate or decrease your bit rate. Bit rate is increasing for smooth resolutions. Just I select the bit rate, then go to export button. I click on export button. It needs few times to export. Then you find your video in gallery. This way you can edit your video with Android phone or a smartphone. I hope this lesson helped you to make professional video maker or YouTuber or anything else. Hope to see my next content. Thanks a lot for watching my channel.